Hello everyone, this is Arvahita, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain some few topics related to cloud computing. In this video, we are going to see about a topic called Intercloud Resource Management. Intercloud, which means cloud of clouds. So, intercloud or cloud of clouds refer to a theoretical model of cloud computing services combining many different individual clouds into one seamless mass in terms of on demand operations. The intercloud would simply make sure that a cloud could use resources beyond its reach, taking advantage of the pre existing contracts with other cloud providers. Each single cloud does not have infinite physical resources or ubiquitous geographic footprint. A cloud may be saturated to the computational and storage resources of its infrastructure. It would still be able to satisfy such requests for service allocations sent from its clients. A single cloud cannot always fulfill the requests or provide required services. When two or more clouds have to communicate with each other or another intermediary comes into play and federates the resources of two or more clouds. In intercloud, intermediary is known as cloud broker or simply it may be called it as broker. Broker is the entity which introduces a cloud service customer, which we call it as CSC, to the cloud service provider, which we shortly call it as CSP. Intercloud resource management. It consists of extended cloud computing services, resource provisioning and platform management, virtual machine creation and management, global exchange of cloud resources. Now let us see about extended cloud computing services. The six layers of cloud services and their providers are given in this diagram, which means cloud applications, which comes under the category of SaaS, cloud software environment, which comes under PaaS, and cloud software infrastructure, which may be divided as computational resources, which comes under IaaS, storage DaaS, and communication CaaS. Collocation cloud services LAAS, network cloud services NAAS, and hardware or virtualization cloud services HAAS. Okay, so these are the services which we have seen in the diagram itself. The top of layer offers SaaS, which provides a cloud application. The PaaS sits on top of IaaS infrastructure. The bottom three layers are more related to the physical requirements. The bottommost layer provides the hardware as a service, that is HAAS, and NAAS is used for interconnecting all the hardware components. Location of the service, that is LAAS, provides the security to all the physical hardware and network resources. This service is also called as security as a service. The cloud infrastructure layer can be further subdivided as data as a service DaaS, communication as a service CaaS, infrastructure as a service IaaS. Cloud players are divided into three classes: cloud service providers and IT administrators, software developers or vendors, end users or business users. So this table shows the cloud differences in perspective of providers, vendors and users. So cloud players and how it is characterized according to IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. So this is the table which shows. So the IT administrators and cloud providers or they monitor the SLAS, and in the case of PaaS they monitor SLS and enable the service platforms, and in the case of SaaS they monitor SLAS and deploy the software also. The vendors, they deploy and store the data in IaaS. In PaaS they enables the platforms. In SaaS they develop and deploy the software. Then coming to the third category of cloud players, that is end users or business users. In the case of IaaS, they deploy and store the data. In PaaS, they are used to develop and test the software. And SaaS, they use business software. Software stack for cloud computing. The software stack structure of cloud computing software can be viewed as layers. Each layer has its own purpose and provides the interface for the upper layers. The lower layers are not completely transparent to the upper layers. Runtime support services. Runtime support services refer to software needed in applications. The SaaS provides the software applications as a service rather than allowing the users to purchase the software. On the customer side, there is no upfront investment in the servers. Thank you.